This disturbing case of the former Manchester City and French national defender, Benjamin Mendy, who has now been found not guilty of all 10 dubious charges that were laid against him. The man has been totally exonerated by the courts in Manchester, England. This is after he was basically destroyed. He lost his freedom, he's lost his dignity, his job, and his reputation at the point of the accusations. Mendy was not presumed innocent until proven guilty. He was presumed guilty and then was actually found to be innocent. Something is fundamentally wrong with that. A man is not supposed to lose everything because of malicious and unproven allegations. It happens all the time. It is wrong and nobody not talk about it. And now that Mendy has been exonerated, having suffered irreparable damage to his reputation and his professional career, what recourse does Mendy have to recoup his lost income, plus to repair his battered reputation? What recourse does he have? Yes. Who can Mendy sue? Tell me, who can Mendy sue? Who the man to sue?